Good morning, class. How are you all? I hope you all are well at staying your home. Okay. So in previous day, what we have learned? We have learned about the habitat of animal, about the amazing animal and their habitat, right? So what is habitat? Habitat is the natural surrounding where the animals live freely, they live naturally, they grow, they eat, they hunt and they raise their young ones, right? So that is habitat. So what is the topic of today? So we are going to learn today what? The adaptation and the body covering. What is adaptation, right? So what is adaptation? You know? No? Okay. So adaptation is what? Like where you are living. You are living at your home. You are living on land. That is, if I send you in a water, then think about what would be happen. Can you survive in the water? Can you survive there? No. You cannot survive in the water, right? अगर हम आपको छोड़ दें और हम बोलें कि आप fly in the air, then what would happen? Can you fly in the air? No, because your body covering, your physical structure, that is not adapted to fly in the air and it is not adapted to live in water, right? So what is the adaptation? If you are adapted to live on land, right? To breathe, to feed, all the things, all the facilities are available on the land, so you can survive on the land. As the same way, many animals, they are living in a different place. They are living in a forest, some are living on land, some are living on in a water, some are living in a air, right? Let us come class and do the activity. See here, there is a fat. What is ghee? That is, and I have covered my finger with this ghee, right? Yeah, fat. And there is one more finger, that is, it is not covered with fat, right? And after some time you will observe what would be happen, right? When I am keeping my both fingers in the eyes, what would be happen? You will observe after some time. So class, see here, I put my finger that was covered with fat or ghee in the eyes for 2 or 3 minutes, and also keep the finger in the that was not covered with fat, right? So observe here, what is the effect of fat on my finger? There is, you can see here, there is no effect on my finger. See, it is as a same, right? That was covered with ghee or fat, but the fingers that was, they do not covered with ghee or fat or butter. So you can see here that the skin start to shrink, right? You can see here कैसे हो गया है, ये shrink होना start हो गया, right? ये है ना, but my finger that is as a same condition that it was before, right? So that is the effect of fat in the skin. Means the animal, those are living in a polar region, they have also the fatty layer on their body. So by this fat they can keep their body warm in the cold region, in the extreme cold region, in the polar region, right? And also they have also the furry skin on their body. So that is the activity, and you will also do this and observe the what would be happen. Observe the result, right? Okay, so it's all about the body covering of the, it is the activity of the, about the body covering of the animal, how they can keep their body warm, yeah, how their body covering help them to survive in the habitat, right? Adaptation is what? Adaptation is any change in the animal that gives them to an advantage to survive, for the survival of their environment, right? they can survive in their environment, they can survive in their surrounding wherever they are living. Maybe they are living in a water, maybe they are living in a air, on land, on any places, on a cold region or hot region, wherever they are living, that gives that their body structure help them to survive, right? So adaptation में what the things in the adaptation, what the things are included: body covering of the animal, their breathing, their feeding habit, right? So these all are the their movement also, all are the things that are included in the adaptation, right? So that is adaptation ki, in which type of surroundings, that any change in the animal that help them to survive in their environment, that give them an advantage to survival for their environment, right? So first we will learn about the body covering of the animal. So what is body covering? What is your body covering? See here, what is your body covering there? Skin. Your body covering is skin, is small layer on this skin. So the God has given a special kind of feature, special kind of body covering to the particular animal.
Like the polar bear. See here the polar bear picture.
So scales is what? The fishes and the reptiles' body is covered with the scales. It is varying, it is different type of in size and structure, right? So there is different kind of body covering of the animal. 4 type of body covering of the animal: scales, hair and fur, right? So first one is the scales. What is scale? Scale is the body covering that help the animal to prevent from the loss of water.
See here, on their body there is a crocodile, fishes and the snake. All these animals have the scale on their body, right?
So it prevents from the loss of water to the animal who are living in the water. It also helps the animal to move on land. Some animals have on their body the dry scale and some have wet scales, right? So some reptiles have the scales like snake, crocodile, and fishes. On their body we found the scale. See here. Take your notebook and pencil, note down. What is scale? This kind of structure that you can see on the body of snake and fishes also. So that is called the scales, right? So it prevents the animal from the loss of water. It also, the snake's scale help them to move on rough land, right? So what is that? That is the scales. And on the body of fishes also, on the body of fishes there is also we found scales like this. It helps them to prevent from the water loss. The water cannot stay on the body of the fishes. They have the slippery skin. So the water can slip from their body, right? So that is also what? Scales. So on the body of reptiles and fishes we found the scales. So what is reptiles? Reptiles are cold-blooded animals. Reptiles are cold-blooded animals. They are not warm like us. Their body is cool, right? And this is the reptiles is what? Reptiles. That is a word come from Latin. That is a Latin word. It means one who creeps. Creeps, you know, they can move. जो किसी क्रीप का मतलब होता है जो रेंग कर चले या चढ़ जाए किसी पर, ऐसे you know the snake are also creeping on the land. The lizard also creep on wall. Maybe everyone has seen that. Crocodile also they creep. So that is one who creeps. They are called the reptiles. जो जमीन में रेंग कर या दीवार में कहीं पर रेंग कर चले, that is reptiles, right? So the snake, crocodile, lizards, they are called the reptiles, and the fishes, the all these type of animal body we are found the scales. That is a type of body covering that help them to prevent of loss of water and also help them to move on land, right? The snakes, what they are doing, they are changing the periodically their skin, right? That is called molting. So that is about the scales. Next one is what? That is a shell. Shell is what?
The shell, that is the outer covering of hard outer covering of the tortoise and snail. The soft body, they can protect themselves from this.
So shells is what? That is a shell is a hard outer covering of the animal that mostly they are living in a water, right? So the shell is that is made up of calcium carbonate. Which are the animal that on their body we found the shell? These are the snail, tortoise, turtle, etc. So on their body, on these animals' body, we found the shell, and shell is what? That is a hard outer covering made up of calcium carbonate, right? Calcium carbonate, that is a formula of calcium carbonate, and carbonate. So how they protect themselves from their outer shells? Yeah, these hard outer covering, I told you that is a very hard outer covering. So when these animals are they in danger, they withdraw their feet and head inside the shell, and also they can protect themselves from the harsh weather conditions, like rain, yeah, any other weather conditions in winter season or summer season, because their body is very soft. So their soft body, they can hide in their shells. Whenever you are touching the animal, these animals, when you touch these animals, they are hiding their head and feet inside they withdraw their head and feet inside the shell. So shell is, that is a hard outer covering. They protect the animal, protect themselves from the harsh conditions and also from their danger and predators, right? After that, feather. The next outer body covering is feather. Third one is a feather.
See here the picture of peacock's feather.
So next one is a feather. So feather, in which type of animal we found the body covering feather? Tell me, who is your national bird? Everyone knows that? Who don't know who is the national bird of India? So peacock, right? peacock is a beautiful bird. We found different type of color in their feathers, right? So that is also a which type of body covering? Feathers. This type of feathers we found on the body of peacock. This kind of feathers we found many of the birds on the body of many birds, right? So what is the work of these feathers? It protects the body of the birds from the winter season and also in the rainy season, right? And it helps them to fly. They have three type of feather: down feather, fly feather, and body feathers. So these are the kind of feathers that help the birds to fly. We found there is in the world number of birds are present in the world. So some are very smallest, small bird, and some are very biggest. Means the biggest bird of the world is ostrich, right? Their height is about 8 feet, and the smallest bird is hummingbird, right? So these are the bird. Many type of bird we found number of birds that are available in the world, right? It is about the feather that help them to keep their body warm, and also it protect themselves from the rain. It also help them to fly, right? So it's all about the outer covering of the birds. Birds, yeah, aves. Aves, the animals that can fly, that are called aves. Mostly on the aves body, what is the feathers we found, right? Birds and aves. Aves, all the birds are called aves. Like reptiles, all the animals that can creep, so that is called reptiles. So aves, they have the feathers and they can fly, that are called the
Aves.
aves.
There is some animals that have fur and hair on their body, right? So it helps them to keep their body warm and protect themselves from the rain, right?
Or fur. Hair, on your body also we found hair, right? So which type of animal on the body we find hair? Where? The body of human, monkey and lion. On their body we find hair. It also helps them to survive in their environment. Means it helps them to protect themselves from the different kind of season. It keep their body warm and cool in different kind of season, right? And for fur, that is also a soft skin, like soft hair we found on the body of the sheeps. Hair, lion and monkey. The body of lion and monkey. What we found? Hair and fur on the body of sheep, rabbit, and deer. On their body we found the polar bear also. Polar bear. On these animal body we find fur, right? So it keeps keep their body warm in the winter season, and also it helps them to summer season. So these kind of fur, these all are the animal on their body we find fur. Fur help them to protect themselves from the winter and rainy season, right? So they keep their body warm in the winter season, and also in extremely cold season, and from the rain they can protect themselves from the fur. The sheep and goats fur also we are using, the hair we are using for wool, for making cloths, for making woolen cloth. So that we are using for making woolen cloth, their hair, their fur, right? So these are all are the furry animal. Their body, on their body we are found the fur. So after that, camouflage. What? Camouflage. That is the topic. Camouflage. What is this? Have you seen the army person's dress? Maybe everyone have seen that. We found the different kind of spots on the army person's dress. Have you ever think why the army person's dress is different kind of according to in comparing other person? So what is camouflage? Have you ever seen the army dress, army person's dress? Maybe everyone have seen the army person's dress, right? So did you ever think why it is different from the other professional persons like doctor, yeah, school's uniform, right? So every person's uniform is maybe in one or two colors, but army person's dress, it is different kind. We are seeing there is very type of different kind of spot on their uniform. So what is that? Because the army persons they are mostly doing work in the forest, in the border, right? So that is what? That is a camouflage. Two, it is what? That blend into environment. Something we can see, something less, right? We cannot found, the person, it is very hard to spot the person due to camouflage, right? So as the same way, the many animals of the body also we found the camouflage. So as the same way, on the body of some animals we found the camouflage, right? Camouflage is what, as I told you, that is something different on their body that can blend in the environment. It is very hard to spot that animal, right? It is very hard to spot that animal. They can protect themselves from their predators, from their hunters, right? They can hide themselves in the grasses, right? So that is what, that is like cheetah, you can see. There is different type of spots on their body. So it blends in the environment. It is very typical. It is very hard to find them in the forest. They can hide from their predators. They can hide from their poachers. Poachers means illegal hunting. From the illegal hunting also they can protect themselves, right? So that is what, that this kind of structure, this kind of a spot, that is called the camouflage. And these all are the animal that is called the camouflaging animal, right? So what are the animals? In the cheetah also, and tiger, and zebra, and chameleon. You know, chameleon can change its color, its body color according to their environment. It can change the color. So they all are the camouflaging animal. Zebra, as you can see, on the body of zebra there is white and black strips. It helps them to protect from their predators, to hide in the grassland, right? And also it helps them to protect themselves from the different kind of weather, right? Like in the summer season, the white strips help them to keep their body cool, and the black strip help them to keep their body warm in the winter season, right? So that is all about the camouflaging animal, right? So I think, am I clear about the body covering of the animal? We have learned about the body covering of the animal, means we have learned different kind of body covering that we found in the animal, like scales, feathers, shells, hairs or fur. The different kind of animal on the body, we found different kind of body covering that is adopted. These all are the animal are adopted to live uh, due to help of these body covering, right? The like polar bear also, they can survive in the Antarctica, right? That is cold, extremely cold. There is no sun rays falls whole of the year. So these the polar bears body covering help them to live there. So this all about the body covering of the animal. It is adaptation of body covering, right? So I think, students, am I clear? If you are having any query, any problem, any question, you can ask me, right? So thank you, class. Have a nice day.
Thank you, class.